how to send expiring photo in Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send self-destructing photos, or as we like to call them, expiring photos on Telegram. Let's dive right in. First, open your Telegram app, and then here is the chat that I want to send the self-destructing message to. So on the top right of the screen, I see a profile icon. Tap on it. You'll see 3 horizontal dots. Tap on it and then tap on Start Secret Chat. Confirm it. Now before that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Now that you have entered the secret chat, a timer will appear on the message bar. Tap on it. And then you can set the self-destructing timer to any second that you like. I've set it to 5 seconds. I'll confirm it. Now I'll send the photo. Once the person watches it, it will disappear in 5 seconds. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and drop a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.